Up first.
I want to hyperlapse you. Bruh, this is brand new.
Ayun, let's say this. Where's my drink?
Here.
All the way back.
Do you guys have some food? Give me some.
Isn't that Javon? Twist the bottom. To loosen it. And then twist it back again. Lower. No, too low, babe. Twist it.
Here?
No. The actual pole. Tie it the other way.
Comes out to the edge.
Every day?
This is a government.
Is it every day?
This is a government consultation. We've booked it through a government website.
I know.
There'll be people coming to check that people aren't camping here because that everyone's paid. This is fucking cool,
Tie it in next. And there's a string. I'm about to get it to make it more stable. What?
Because she'll think this is fucking awesome. We could sit under here at night and play card games while our tents are here. And we
I know, that's why I told you.
It could be raining.
The wall will go here. So it's closed. You won't see us. It's with me. Why are you hating?
Because this was a waste. But
No, it's not.
that's all right. So we really wanted to try.
Set it up. Let me see. Hey! Lake Pearson, here we go. Wagwan! Wagwan! Is this a new grass now?
I think that might be the new grass.
Oh, that one.
Potentially.
Okay.
There's one that's fly tracks on it.
Yeah. Noise. Bring the chairs out. Where's my drink? Second triangle. Thank you. Woo! Nice! We got a food right here. We got a dinner. Sorry guys, I usually speak Bisaya on my vlogs, but as someone that doesn't understand Bisaya, so Wagwan! Wagwan! I got someone that doesn't understand Bisaya, so I gotta speak English all the time. All over this vlog. I don't speak much in this vlog though, I'm just showing the view. And you know how great life is. Look at the view. That's the setup. Got our camping chairs, our tables.
Can I put this on here?
We brought our burners as well. You're gonna burn that shit. That's fucking expensive. That's fucking $25 in Kmart.
Hey.
Shout out Kmart sponsorship. So we got our kettle, our burners and our like gas bottle camping chairs, and that's the car. That's where we are sleeping. This is where we're sleeping. Isn't it comfortable? What?
Fucking food, bitch.
Yo, good morning.
Good morning.
This is what it looks like if you sleep in your fucking car. It's skimpy ass. And this is what camping in New Zealand is like. And we fucking forgot to bring our fucking blanket, so we'll just shivering overnight.
3 pairs of socks.
3 pairs of socks.
Puffer jacket.
Puffer jacket while sleeping. I got a hoodie on and a puffer jacket because it's just freezing. I don't know. Go to New Zealand and you'll fucking know. The car is just full of steam and stuff. But yeah, I guess we'll do a walk today.
A couple of walks.
A couple of walks. Not long ones though. Short ones. And then go straight back home to Christchurch. And then back to fucking reality. And then look at that. Would you look at that? Don't make that video about cinematic. Muni ang aftermath sa inom sa camping ng gabi eh. Mga bright man god. Dayon giluto na namudaan kagabi ang amuang pamahaw kay nagdala-dala mi ana tapos nakalimot mig dalag lighter, so naulam mig lighter sa ubang campers pero maulo na mig panghulam karong buntag mo nang giluto na lang mo daan gabi among pamahaw sa among pamahaw try na ilalong sakyanan nilong aga itlog. Let's go. So quick review ta sa ako ang camping setup. So muna ako ang camping setup. Nagsugod tas kinagamian. Ako ang lamp USB type C ni siya, LED lamp na chargeable rin siya type C. Sa Kmart lang ko na siya gipalit. Kalimot ko kung tagpila, $20 something. So sa pag-on hayag yan sa gabi eh. Dahil sunod camping chairs na mo na anamidaan ana mo nagipalit ang ako ang camping table kay Mart gihapon ni $20 something or 30 nakalimot ko. Sturdy ra siya rin, dili siya plastic ang kilid then murag something metal ang kani. Dayon kani kay Eli na nadaan. Dayon sunod is ang ato ang awning. Kani ako ang awning kani siya. XTM ang brand. No na siya XTM. Kani si awning napalit ako ni kay member mo ko guan. Premium sa super cheap $199 awning 2.5 meters. Ang awning dayon lahi pud ni pagkapalit si sidewall mo na si sidewall $99 pud na siya. Na yun, sunod, naka-attach si Oning sa Yakiman ako nga crossbars, lahi po ni pagkapalit og ang ako ang loop basket kani, lahi po niya gipalit ra ko ni siya sa kaning unsa ni direct sale nga wholesale nga store sa Christchurch. So naa sila link sa Trade Me sa roof basket. Maura ng camping setup. Let's go.
Look to the right.
Oh shit. Isn't it nice? It's nice, huh?
Come beside me.
Selfie. Wagwan.
Wagwan. Let's go. Devil's Punchbowl! Keep recording.
Okay.
What's anyone else so food? Why did it make that sound? Oh, it's recording.
Yeah.
How do I stop it?
Stairway to Heaven. Putang inang shit. What?
Putang mo na shit.
Putang inang shit. water so blue. Where are we right now?
We're at Devil's Punchbowl waterfall in Arthur's Pass.
Arthur's Pass.
Arthur's Pass.
That's it. Cut to the waterfall. Cut. Look how beautiful the water is. Like how clear and how fresh looking. And
It's absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? I feel like I'm in Iceland. This takes me right over to the place of England.
Nar.
No.
Yo, yo, yo.
Here we are at Cave Stream. Welcome back to
So from
Tiban's vlog.
from that walk earlier, what was that walk? What was it called?
Devil's Punchbowl.
Yeah, that walk. We grabbed a quick lunch, and yeah, after lunch we're going here in Cave Stream.
People have died here. You can enter the cave and you can walk through. The water is chest high. You should have a head torch and a hand light and spare batteries. You also need a waterproof bag for your valuables. It's recommended to wear a wetsuit while you go through. There's high climbs, there's some waterfalls, and yeah, it's a cave. There's the entrance.
Wagwan. I might slip if I jump there. Let's go. I don't even care of getting wet. Wagwan. So you can actually go in there and go the other side, but you have to get wet and swim. The water is chest level.
Look at the crack in the rock. That's the one. It's slippery.
It's amazing how these places are just free. You could just come here and just park and visit and be in awe of like how wonderful the place is. But yeah, that's the perks of paying taxes in this country, I guess. That's the setup, that's the car, that's the view. Look at that. So after doing a walk kay patong din sa kinan. After doing a walk kay manguli na din may Christchurch kay work as normal. Mauto muna din ako ang vlog. See you again. Kung saan na po ko makapanahon ug makatigom og panggasolina para maka bakasyon. Bye bye.